Dear friends, today I am going to discuss top 5 programming language to learn as a beginner. A lot of beginners are worried about that which programming language they should learn, so I decided to share my choice. When we just start programming, the most fundamental question in our mind is that which language we should learn first. There are thousands of languages like Java, Swift, Ruby, C Sharp, C, Basic, Perl, R, Python, and many more. So, if you want to be a software developer, you must learn some languages. So, I decided to share from my point of view which are the 5 basic language you should learn as a beginner. So, my first choice is C++. This is an enhancement of C language. Syntax of C++ and C is same, almost same. The only difference between C and C++ is C is the procedure oriented, whereas C++ is object oriented language. So many person think that C should be the first language as a beginner, but nowadays C almost omits and we choose C++ over C. C++ is very basic language. It is like bread and butter for beginners. So these are some important properties of C++. C++ is a highly portable language and is often the language of choice for multi-device or multi-platform app development. C++ has a rich function library. C++ is a powerful, efficient and fast language. It finds a wide range of applications from graphical user interface applications to 3D graphics for games to real-time mathematical solution. Almost to develop all low-level systems, C++ is used. For example, operating system, file systems, all are written in C++. If you want to be a system programmer, then C++ should be your choice. C++ has many inbuilt library. Those are ready-to-use library. This makes C++ popular choice for high-frequency trending community also. In my view, software developers who know C++ are simply better programmer than who don't know this. My second choice is Java. Earlier it was the product of Sun Microsystem. From 2010, Sun Microsystem is owned by Oracle. So now Java is a product of Oracle organization. This is a general purpose programming language. It is high level language with simple syntax and mid learning curve. It is platform independent language. So this is a general purpose programming language with object oriented structure. This is a standard for type of application that can be used regardless of platform. It means the application once developed in Java, they can be used on any platform. For example, Mac, Windows, Android, etc. For this purpose, Java has one feature that is known as write once, run everywhere. That's why Java is recognized for its portability. It is known to be highly portable language. Hence, it can be used across platforms from mainframe data centers to smartphones. Java is also used in the backend of several popular websites including Google, Amazon, YouTube, Twitter and many more. Though for Android development, nowadays Java has a competitor named Kotlin, but still there is a great variety of web development using Java. My next choice is Python. It is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming with dynamic semantics. Python is one of the most popular and powerful language. It is user-friendly, it has application in lots of different areas. It is versatile, easy to use and fast to develop. Python supports a programming style that uses simple functions and variables without much peeping into class definition. It has all the libraries you can imagine. You can find a library for basically anything. You could imagine from web development through game development to machine learning. Python is also very popular in all the areas for scientific computation, machine learning, engineering, artificial intelligence. That's why I prefer Python. Next is JavaScript. In last 7 years, JavaScript has totally dominated the world. It is not to be confused with Java because Java is a programming language and JavaScript is a scripting language. So its ease of learning and rich interfaces are two features. It is relatively easy to learn. If you want to build anything on the web, then you should learn JavaScript. It is dynamic and flexible to use in object-oriented programming. Most of its syntax are derived from C language, or you can say C++ and C syntax is same. Then rich interfaces for websites, and it creates an eye-catching appearance. So for website development, JavaScript is going to be your best choice. Next is C#. This is also from the family of C languages. It is a general purpose programming language and it is also developed by Microsoft. It is used for backend programming games and utilities, building Windows mobile application. It is component oriented and object oriented language. Its syntax is very much similar to C or C++, but it is easier to learn than C++. It is easier to read code than C++. All things are passed by reference except for value types by default. So it means if you want to, until unless you don't make anything as value type, everything will be passed by reference. It's more rapid and potentially less error prone development than C++ or Java. That's why I prefer C# also. It is on .NET platform. So my final words for beginners are like, these are the environment and languages. Like for example, if you want to do front-end web development, then JavaScript is a language. For back-end web development, JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, Ruby, C#. Desktop application, Java, C++, Python. Mobile development, Swift, Java, C++. And game development, C++ and C#. So I select these 5 languages on experiences. So this is my suggestion that if you are a beginner, you want to learn some languages, so you should choose these 5 languages. So in the next video, again, I'll come with some more interesting topics. Till then, thank you.